Ever wonder why your cat turns into a wild predator when it hears that tiny squeak? Reason 1, it triggers their hunting instinct. That squeak sounds just like a mouse or small prey animal in distress. Basically dinner with a soundtrack. Reason 2, it's interactive. Cats love cause and effect play. In short, if they bite, it squeaks. It's instant feedback and super satisfying for them to hear. Reason 3, some squeaky toys mimic high-frequency sounds only cats can hear, making it extra irresistible like a secret language. Comment meow if you love cats!